Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to start with the essentials. Enable Roblox voice chat in your account and confirm your age meets the requirement. Next, open your system settings and grant mic access to the Roblox app, then set the correct default device, headset or built-in mic, so audio routes properly. Once done, unmute both the system and in-game mic controls. Also update the Roblox client and your audio drivers, because outdated software often blocks the voice pipeline and causes failure. Now you move into diagnostics and precise settings. Test your mic and system sound settings and watch the input meter while speaking, then adjust levels and boost to increase sensitivity. In Roblox, go to Settings, then Privacy or Voice and toggle voice chat off and on, then rejoin the game to refresh permissions. If issues persist, open Device Manager, uninstall the audio device, and reinstall drivers. This forces Windows to reset the audio stack and often restores proper mic. Finish by restarting both your PC and network hardware to clear transient glitches. Then relaunch Roblox and join a known voice-enabled experience to verify. If you still have no mic, swap to another headset or USB mic to determine whether the problem is hardware versus software. Make sure to enable exclusive app control off in advanced sound properties so Roblox can share the mic. If things go wrong, collect error messages and logs. Then contact Roblox support with device, driver, and step-by-step actions you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.